Hello everyone, need to refund a game on Ubisoft Connect. Here's how to do it quickly through the Ubisoft Store. So first, head to the official Ubisoft Store here and sign into your account using your email and password. And once you're signed in, click on your profile icon and then select My Orders. Sorry. So this is where you'll see all your purchases. And click on the game you want to refund. Then hit View Order Details and then choose Ask for a Refund. And just tap that and pick a refund reason from the drop down menu and then choose how you'd like to be refunded and confirm the request, and you'll get an on-screen confirmation and email. So remember, refunds can take a few days depending on your payment method. And that's it. No need to open Ubisoft Connect. Just use the browser and follow the steps.